Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you like my basil or cinnamon manifestation rituals, you're absolutely going to like this one. This one brings in abundance on a continuous basis, and it involves basil. Now, this right here, you only going to need basil. So go out there and get your basil or use the basil that's in your home. But if you don't know anything about this channel, this is a manifesting law of attraction metaphysical channel that gives you all types of manifesting techniques in one place. So don't forget, if you want more videos like this, like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Now, if you want to know this simple basil manifestation ritual, keep watching. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about basil and how it can help you bring in abundance in all different ways? The only thing you're going to need is basil for this ritual, okay? I'm going to tell you where to place the basil and how it's going to help you. Now, the first technique that I will tell you is basically using your wallet or wherever you keep your money. The only thing you're going to do is sprinkle a little bit of basil where your money is. Now, basil is not as messy, okay, you guys? And once you sprinkle it in there, basically it might disappear or fall out over the next week or two. And at that point, you could sprinkle some more. What are you doing when you put this basil in your wallet? You're basically focusing on whatever it is that you want. If it's more money, you can focus on money coming to you, checks coming to you, going to the bank and seeing large amounts in your bank account. You can also make statements like, thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance in all areas of my life. Thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance coming to me on a continuous basis in large amounts. Whatever it is you want to say, speak from your heart. And that's what I tell people on this channel. Use your own words and do the technique. Now, I'm going to show you another technique that you can use to bring in abundance using basil. Again, the only thing you need is basil. So please take out your pen, your paper, and write down what I'm about to tell you. Now, the next technique involves using basil outside. Now, if you live in an apartment complex, you are welcome to use plants that are in your home or plants that are by your door. If you live anywhere where you're coming directly out of your home, you could just use the front door. Now, what it is you're going to do, you're going to take 5 steps from your front door, focusing on money comes to you. You can say a prayer like, thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance coming my way every single day on a continuous basis. And you're going to take 5 steps. As you take 5 steps, you're going to sprinkle basil along your path, okay? If you have grass or soil on sides, you just sprinkle the basil along the sides as you're walking, taking your 5 steps. Then I want you to, again, focus on money coming to you. Again, the basil is lining your doorway and it is bringing in prosperity towards you on a constant basis. Let me just show you what I would do. It would be, thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance coming to me on continuous basis. Thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance coming to me in large amounts on a continuous basis from expected or unexpected ways. Taking 5 steps out from your bed, from your door. Now, on the way back, you're going to say, thank you, God. Thank you, Jehovah. Thank you, Allah. Thank you, my higher self. Whatever it is that is your supreme being, as you step back into your home, 5 steps, and you're going to say, thank you for a constant abundance coming into my home. Thank you for large amounts of money coming into my home. Thank you for unexpected and expected forms of resources coming into my home. And as you do that, you're going to drop the basil along your path as you go back in your home. Now, this is powerful, you guys, because basil, again, is known as something that attracts abundance, just like bay leaves, just like cinnamon. If you haven't seen those videos, please go to my playlist and look under Herbal Magic, and you will see all the videos right there for you. So now let me give you an example how this works. Thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance coming into my home. Thank you, God, for blessing me with large sums of money coming into my home. Thank you, God, for blessing me with unexpected and expected resources coming into my home. I thank you, God, as I release this to the universe, it is done. As I lay this basil down on the sides of my doorway, I know money is coming to me on a constant basis, and I release it and I give it to the universe. Now, on the way back, you're going to do the same thing, but instead of throwing it to the sides, you're going to bring it along your path. Thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance that comes into my house. Thank you, God, for blessing me with abundance that comes into my house. So going out, you're going to put it to the sides. Coming back in, you're going to put it along your path. If you are in an area where you do not have grass or soil or outdoor right outside of your door, you then can use plants. Sprinkle it in your plants and place them by the door or anything else. Sometimes I would even say, you could even sprinkle it along your doorway, outside of your door or inside your door. The whole thing is that basil is an attractor for abundance, and that's all you need to know. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you want more rituals, more techniques in all fashions concerning manifesting, please go to my homepage. If you want to buy crystals, candles, sage, anything, basil, please look in the description and go to the store. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Watch the next video and namaste.